Sham, my key employee, my best employee is presenting their resignation. What can I do about it? And this is what we're going to address in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Hello everybody, my name is Sham, known in the community as the responsible restaurant owner, and for the last 10 years, I've been helping people open and run their first successful restaurant, and I'm now sharing this knowledge to the world. What do you do if your most important employee is presenting their resignation? You fight for it. It is very hard nowadays to find good employees, even more employees that are considered to be key. As I always say, I really believe that as a hospitality industry, we have done a very bad job at promoting the restaurant as an attractive career. And these are the steps you're going to fight for your employee. Do not sweat it. If they're going to end up leaving, they're going to end up leaving. But it is worth a try. First, definitely let them know how important and that you cannot accept their resignation. Let them know about that in front of the other members of your team. Here is why. If they end up leaving, this is going to bring a superb morale among the remaining employees. They're going to be like, oh my gosh, look how well he treated this employee and he fought for it. Automatically, it will increase your team cohesion and their sense of belonging. So definitely do that in front of the other employees. Tell them, hey, listen, I know you present your resignation, but I cannot accept it. You're an important key to this operation. You are the link between whatever responsibility they're taking on. Let them know literally in front of an audience. Step number 2, I will also invite you to invite them to your home. If you are a small, medium-sized restaurant owners, they are family and you need to remind them of that. And just invite them, tell them, hey, just a farewell dinner if you want it to be that way. I don't know the kind of relationship you have with your employees, but I'm talking about somebody that if gone, well, guess what? Your stress level is going to spike, your income is going to drop, and you haven't worked so hard in order to go backwards, right? So do invite them inside your home, have a nice meal. If you're not comfortable doing it inside your house, definitely do it in a public place and have some of your other family members and let them know again in front of your family members that you're an important part of your team. And most of the time, you will be surprised how often people will actually decide to stick. Or option number 2, they will go to another job and they realize of what they just missed, that somebody that really cared about them. Let your team know how much you do care about them, and that's how you should handle if a key employee decides to present their resignation. There is more and more things that you can do in order to increase your employee retention. Definitely subscribe, let me know what you think. And the question of the day is, what do you do yourself when your key employee decide to get out of the restaurants? Until we meet again, remember the secret ingredient is love. Please once again remember to subscribe and comment.